Article 406.9 mandates ground fault circuit interrupter, commonly known as GFCI, protection for all 125-volt, single-phase, 15 and 20 ampere receptacles installed in bathrooms. This requirement is in place to enhance safety and reduce the risk of electrical shock in environments where water is likely to be present. There is an exception for receptacles that are not readily accessible, specifically those serving permanently installed appliances and located behind fixed panels, making them difficult to reach. However, this exception does not apply to toe kick lighting receptacles installed inside bathroom cabinets. Since a cabinet can be easily opened, the receptacles are considered readily accessible and therefore require ground fault circuit interrupter protection. To further clarify, a receptacle is a contact device installed at the outlet for the connection of an attachment plug or a cord connector. A single receptacle is a single contact device with no other contact device in the same yoke. Ground fault circuit interrupter protection functions by monitoring the current flowing to and from an electrical device. It detects any imbalance in current, which could indicate a ground fault, where current is leaking to ground through an unintended path, such as a person touching a live wire. When a ground fault is detected, the ground fault circuit interrupter quickly cuts off the power supply to prevent electrical shock. Article 210.11c3 specifies that bathroom receptacles must be supplied from a dedicated 20 ampere circuit. This requirement ensures that bathroom receptacles have sufficient power available to meet the demands of typical bathroom appliances such as hair dryers, curling irons, and electric shavers, without overloading the circuit. In this context, toe kick lighting receptacles are considered bathroom receptacles because they are located in a bathroom and are intended for use with lighting fixtures. A 20 ampere circuit is a circuit that is protected by a 20 ampere circuit breaker or fuse. The circuit breaker or fuse is designed to trip or blow if the current exceeds 20 amperes, preventing the circuit from overheating and potentially causing a fire. A dedicated circuit means that the circuit serves only the bathroom receptacles and no other outlets or appliances. This helps to prevent overloading the circuit and ensures that the bathroom receptacles have sufficient power available. The NEC, or National Electrical Code, is a widely adopted standard for safe electrical installation in the United States. It provides detailed requirements for electrical wiring, equipment, and systems, and is designed to protect people and property from electrical hazards. Compliance with the NEC is essential for ensuring the safety of electrical installations. The requirements for ground fault circuit interrupter protection and dedicated circuits for bathroom receptacles are intended to enhance electrical safety in bathrooms. Ground fault circuit interrupter protection reduces the risk of electrical shock, while dedicated circuits ensure that bathroom receptacles have sufficient power available to meet the demands of typical bathroom appliances. By adhering to these requirements, electricians and contractors can help to create safer bathrooms for homeowners. The NEC specifies that all 125 volts, 15 amps and 20 amps receptacles in bathrooms must have ground fault circuit interrupter protection. Ground fault circuit interrupters are designed to protect people from electrical shock by monitoring the current flowing in a circuit. If a ground fault is detected, the ground fault circuit interrupter will quickly trip the circuit, cutting off the power and preventing electrical shock. Receptacles that are not readily accessible, such as those located behind fixed panels or appliances that are permanently plugged in, are not required to have ground fault circuit interrupter protection. The NEC defines a bathroom as an area containing a sink and one or more of the following: a toilet, a tub, or a shower. Therefore, any receptacle installed in an area that meets this definition is considered a bathroom receptacle and must comply with the NEC requirements for bathroom receptacles. The NEC requires that bathroom receptacles be supplied by a 20 ampere branch circuit. A branch circuit is a circuit that extends from the final overcurrent protective device to the outlets. The overcurrent protective device is typically a circuit breaker or fuse. The 20 ampere requirement ensures that bathroom receptacles have sufficient power available to meet the demands of typical bathroom appliances such as hair dryers, curling irons, and electric shavers. The bathroom circuit can supply other equipment within the same bathroom such as lighting and exhaust fans. However, it can only supply equipment within that specific bathroom. Toe kick lighting receptacles are considered bathroom receptacles because they are located in a bathroom and are intended for use with lighting fixtures. Therefore, they must comply with the NEC requirements for bathroom receptacles, including ground fault circuit interrupter protection and a 20 ampere circuit. The importance of ground fault circuit interrupter protection in bathrooms cannot be overstated. Bathrooms are inherently wet environments, and water is a good conductor of electricity. This means that the risk of electrical shock is significantly higher in bathrooms than in other areas of the home. Ground fault circuit interrupters are designed to protect people from electrical shock by quickly cutting off the power supply if a ground fault is detected. This can prevent serious injury or even death. The requirement for a 20 ampere circuit for bathroom receptacles is also important for safety. Overloading a circuit can cause the wires to overheat, which can lead to a fire. A 20 ampere circuit is designed to handle the typical electrical loads of bathroom appliances, reducing the risk of overloading the circuit and causing a fire. In addition to the NEC requirements for ground fault circuit interrupter protection and a 20 ampere circuit, there are other safety considerations to keep in mind when installing receptacles in bathrooms. Firstly, receptacles should be located away from sources of water, such as sinks and showers. Secondly, receptacles should be installed with tamper-resistant covers to prevent children from inserting objects into the receptacles. Thirdly, receptacles should be inspected regularly to ensure that they are in good working condition. The installation of receptacles in bathroom cabinets for toe kick lighting must comply with the NEC requirements for bathroom receptacles, including ground fault circuit, interrupter protection, and a 20 ampere circuit. These requirements are in place to protect people from electrical shock and fire. By following these requirements, electricians and contractors can help to create safer bathrooms for homeowners. The National Electrical Code Section 406.9 covers ground fault circuit interrupter protection for personnel. Specifically, it dictates the requirements for ground fault circuit interrupter protection of 125 volt through 250 volt receptacles installed in certain locations. Section 406.9c covers bathrooms. It states that all 125 volt, single-phase, 15 ampere and 20 ampere receptacles installed in bathrooms must have ground fault circuit interrupter protection for personnel. This means that any standard electrical outlet installed in a bathroom must be protected by a ground fault circuit interrupter device. There are a few exceptions to this rule, but they are very specific and generally do not apply to typical bathroom installations. For example, a receptacle that is specifically dedicated to a cord and plug connected appliance, such as a refrigerator, and is located in a readily accessible location, may not require ground fault circuit interrupter protection. However, this exception is rarely applicable in a bathroom setting. The purpose of ground fault circuit interrupter protection is to protect people from electrical shock. Ground fault circuit interrupters work by monitoring the flow of electricity through a circuit. If the ground fault circuit interrupter detects a leakage current to ground that exceeds a certain threshold, it will quickly trip the circuit, cutting off the power and preventing a potentially dangerous electrical shock. Bathrooms are considered wet locations, which means that the risk of electrical shock is higher than in other areas of the home. This is because water is a good conductor of electricity, and people are often wet or damp when using bathroom fixtures. Ground fault circuit interrupter protection is therefore essential in bathrooms to protect people from electrical shock. The ground fault circuit interrupter protection can be provided by a ground fault circuit interrupter receptacle or a ground fault circuit interrupter circuit breaker. A ground fault circuit interrupter receptacle is a special type of electrical outlet that has a built-in ground fault circuit interrupter device. A ground fault circuit interrupter circuit breaker is a circuit breaker that has a built-in ground fault circuit interrupter device. The ground fault circuit interrupter receptacle is the more common way to provide ground fault circuit interrupter protection in bathrooms. This is because it is relatively easy to install and does not require any special wiring. To install a ground fault circuit interrupter receptacle, simply remove the existing receptacle and replace it with the ground fault circuit interrupter receptacle. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. A ground fault circuit interrupter circuit breaker is typically installed in the electrical panel. To install a ground fault circuit interrupter circuit breaker, simply remove the existing circuit breaker and replace it with the ground fault circuit interrupter circuit breaker. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. The National Electrical Code Section 210.11 covers branch circuits required. Specifically, 210.11c covers dwelling unit branch circuits. In particular, Section 210.11c3 discusses bathroom branch circuits. In dwelling units, at least one 20 ampere branch circuit must be provided to supply the bathroom receptacle outlets. Such circuits must have no other outlets. Exception No. 1 to 210.11c3 says that where the 20 ampere circuit supplies a single bathroom, equipment within the same bathroom can be supplied. Exception No. 2 to 210.11c3 says that where a 20 ampere circuit supplies more than one bathroom, lighting outlets and other equipment can be supplied as well. This requirement ensures that bathrooms have sufficient power available to meet the demands of modern appliances. Bathrooms are often used to power high wattage appliances, such as hair dryers, curling irons, and electric shavers. A 15 ampere circuit may not be able to handle the load of these appliances, which could cause the circuit breaker to trip. A 20 ampere circuit is better able to handle the load of these appliances, which reduces the risk of the circuit breaker tripping. The requirement that the bathroom circuit must have no other outlets ensures that the bathroom appliances have their own dedicated circuit. This prevents other appliances from drawing power from the bathroom circuit, which could overload the circuit and cause the circuit breaker to trip. The exception to this rule allows other equipment within the same bathroom to be supplied by the bathroom circuit. This is because the other equipment is likely to be used at the same time as the bathroom appliances, which would overload the circuit if the other equipment were on a separate circuit. For example, a bathroom exhaust fan can be supplied by the bathroom circuit. The code defines a receptacle as a contact device installed at the outlet for the connection of an attachment plug. A single receptacle is a single contact device with no other contact device on the same yoke. A bathroom is defined as an area including a basin with one or more of the following: a toilet, a urinal, a tub, a shower, a bidet, or similar plumbing fixtures.